Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Today I'll go with one of the experiment NAND as OR gate. Okay, for that go to the Google Chrome and use Tinkercad. So go to the circuits and create new circuits in it. And name the file as NAND as OR gate. Again you go to all components and search for the breadboard, drag and keep it. So whatever component you are making use, first select and keep it over there. So we'll be using the power supply. And you need switch, so place it here. And we need the resistors. Before that we'll take IC7400 chip, and we need two resistors. Okay, before that I'll take LED first. And you need one resistor for this LED. You can rotate this. Keep it here. And for this switch, if you want to connect the input through this IC7400, we'll be having resistor for this too, for this one as well as for the two inputs we'll be using it. We'll be taking two more. Okay, now we'll start with the connection. So before that I'll just want to show you the connection of this NAND, how it acts as a OR gate. Okay, so for OR gate, truth table is 0 0 0, followed by 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, and 1 1 is again 1. And this is the gate. Here you can see 1 and 2 has been interconnected from 1, either from 1 or 2. Take one input A, and 3 output has to be connected with the 9, and 6 output has to be connected with 10, and 8 has to be connected with the output, which is LED, and 4 5 to be interconnected. Get one wire either from 4 or 5 and give it to the input B. So first we'll make the connection for 1 and 2, and we'll be giving this to A. So I'll be taking one wire, I'll be connecting 1 and 2, and I'll take one more wire and I'll give it to A. So what I'll do here, I'll be taking this up, or else I'll rotate this. Okay, and then I'll be taking this here. So I can connect this here like this. and also I can rotate this resistor, so it should be from 2. So what I'll do here, I'll give it to 2, and for this also you can see this is for B, right? So 4 5 I'll connect in the interconnect. So what I'll do here, this is 1 and 2, this is 3, and this is 4 and 5. So I'll be connecting these two. I'll be taking one wire from that and give it to one end, and these two has to be connected to the ground. And here for this end I'll give it to the supply. This end also supply to be given, and take one wire from here, give it to the supply, and the other wire for the ground. And ground you can interconnect. And this is for 7, which is 14 is for plus 12 volt. So this is 14 is for plus 12 volt, and this is minus. And we'll go back to the connection. So from 3 give it to 9, and 6 to 10. What I'll do, from 3 I'll give it to 9. So this is 9. So here what I'll do here, I'll be taking the wire from here, I'll give it to 9, and the other one is 6 to 10. So I'll take one more wire, so here you can see, I think I have misplaced 3 6 7. So 3 to, it should be 3 to 9 and 6 to 10. So this is 8, and this is 8 and this is 9. So I'll be shifting this here, and for this here. So I'll check once more. So it should be this 7 to ground has been done, and this should be 6 to 10. So it's 6 to 10 over here, and 3 to 9. So it is 3 to 9. And next is 8 to output. So what I'll do here, I'll be taking one more wire, I'll be connecting this. So this is for this is 8 to output. I think the connections are perfect. So here I have given the input as well as the output, and 14, which is nothing but power supply and 7 to the ground. So this I have made. So I'll start with the simulation, and one more thing, I should give this to the ground state. Okay, we'll check the connection for this. Go to the output. So here you can see this has to be grounded. So one of the resistor has to be grounded to grounded, I mean to say. So this terminal has to be grounded, and here the resistor, give it to the 8 as the output, right? And now if you switch on this, so for 0 0, see this 1 1 as 1 and 0 0 is 0, right? So 1 1 as 1, 1 0 as 1 again, and 0 1 is 1 again, and 0 0 is 0. So you can see the output 0 0 is 0, followed by 0 1 is 1, and 1 0 is 1, and 1 1 is 1. Thank you, girls.